This is my annotated bibliography. Okay, so first, Louis Martin. He writes, "The decision to drop the atomic bomb." In this one, I use it in the first paragraph or maybe even the first page as a sort of like storytelling thing. It pretty much discusses the atomic bomb was pretty much a strategic thing to help save American lives, to save Japanese lives, even. It discusses how the scientists weren't too fond of this, but they were like, well, you could at least do it in some sort of ultimatum, which we did. Second, Janice Harper writes, "Secrets revealed, revelations concealed." Nice title. This is pretty much about Oak Ridge itself. Oh yeah, it's called "A Secret City Confronts Its Environmental Legacy of Weapons Production." So it's pretty much about Oak Ridge and how it is impacted overall by the atomic bomb itself. Just the whole ending of World War II. Next, Lindsay Freeman writes, "From Hiroshima to Normalization." This article is about it pretty much discusses what happens to Oak Ridge after they learn about the atomic bomb, the events leading from when the facility was first created to after they learned what was actually happening in those laboratories, what they were actually doing there. No one knew except the scientists on the team. Next is John A. Simons. Nice name. He writes, "Eyewitness account of Hiroshima." It pretty much discusses in that one paragraph where I describe the effects of the atomic bomb in the like what would actually happen. This guy was pretty much an eyewitness of it, called Eyewitness Accounts, of course. He was a Catholic. He was a professor at a Catholic university in Tokyo. Next, Harry Truman. The last one was a primary source. This one is also a primary source. It's a letter from Harry Truman. It's his reflections on the atomic bomb. I used this in a paragraph as well. He met with his advisors and everything over the actual dropping of the atomic bomb. The Manhattan Project Museum in Oak Ridge. Yeah, Oak Ridge has a museum, of course. I actually went there. It pretty much discusses everything about Oak Ridge in the time period. And then last but not least is Tennessee.gov on Oak Ridge. It gives updated information about the community, like today. You know, actually, my brother actually went there for an internship. He went there as an intern, and he did a lot of stuff, like with supercomputers. It was awesome. It gives updated information about the community, such as population and events, which I definitely do in the paper itself.